Ah, this is so small, honey. It's so small. And compact too with the folding arms. It's so tiny and lighter than compared to the Mavic Pro. Honey, can you turn the lights back on? But I wish it was even smaller and lighter. Oh, hey guys, so you probably know a lot already about the Mavic Mini, but as the owner of the entire Mavic series, there's two important questions you should know the answers to before you buy the Mavic Mini. And these answers probably will not be mentioned in the first review videos. And quite frankly, not knowing these answers may end up being a big waste of your hard-earned dollars. So before you hit that buy button, know the answers to these questions. 1. What is the quality of the live view feed at short and medium ranges? If you already own a Mavic Air, you probably know exactly what I mean. The live view feed is the drone's camera image displayed on your mobile device. An erratic, or worse yet, a blank display and loss of your RC connection will really suck when you're flying. Number 2, will it have no fly zone restrictions, also known as geofencing, in the US and internationally? Yes, it weighs just under 250 grams, so it doesn't have to be registered with the FAA if you live in the United States. But I wouldn't presume that DJI's no-fly restrictions won't apply with the Mavic Mini. If it does apply, make sure you can cruise around your neighborhood and other places you'd like to capture nice aerial footage. Alright guys, so that's it. And if you're looking for an honest and thorough review of the Mavic Mini, then subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy flying.